Yo, in the heights, when music meets herbs, no need for words. Soothing vibration opens one body and mind, inflicting a healing sensation, positive and exciting. iVYBZ presents Kyanabis Kahna. Yeah, we say brought to you by FAIM. You know the chips, you know the style. Freedom, artists in motion. Na 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 na.
We're gonna upscotch between the albums a little bit, you know, because we're going to touch a little bit from King Selassie from Book of Redemption 2, a double album that we understand, right? So, you know, see if you can give a little history on that. On that one,
Yeah.
King Selassie, and the king that, you know, so yeah.
Yeah, well, yeah, you know, Rastafari, live it and reign it. You have to give respect to the King of Kings. Because just like how we body need a head for function, is same way and I is individual cell of the body of the Almighty. Each human being is a cell in the body of the Almighty. You know. And different cell cause different part of the body to function. You know, everyone can be ears, everyone can be eyes, everyone can be hand, everyone it take different ones and ones to make the body work, right?
Right.
But now the body can't work without a head. So this tune, King Selassie is paying maximum respect to the Godhead of Rastafari, which is King Selassie, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. Yeah, man. Don't say a word. Right. I just say it go.
Yeah, I'm sorry, go.
You say Selector, how you still there?
What you say? King Selassie?
Yeah.
Book of Redemption.
You there, Vampire?
Yeah, man, we're there, Vampire, man. We can't go nowhere but Vampire. You know it go.
Yeah, we will laugh after you know, because we will face no giant church.
Music. Book of Redemption, part 2.
Yeah, man.
Me hear that one here before?
Yeah, before, yeah. But you don't remember.
We got you on here again. Lift up from the top.
It looks up.
It starts sweet, man. It starts. You know, me love reggae music. Me love reggae music differently. You know?
Roots music we are dealing with, man.
Yeah, man. And you know, say, when it touch the root, me I tell you, man. When it touch the root, you know, say.
Rubber dub.
I think Selassie done Rastafari.
Rightful ruler, I think Selassie Rastafari. He's a true peacemaker.
Lift up again, you know, cause I want a nice.
Sure.
From the top again to the very last.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, that song there, that song.
Yeah, man.
Have a vibes. Have a vibes. It's an iVYBZ type of tune, them vibes. Yeah, like the song there. Wow. Look here, I don't want you disturb me song when you hear me at least, and me I go down in if it going. Look here, I don't want you disturb me listening, you know.
We want the people them to know, say, Book of Redemption is out there. Been out there, you know. Part 1 and 2 is a good listen. Only for historical things.
It's a nice little archive to dive down in, because I could take in some of them, and I'm not telling a lie. If you're upon a conscious frame of mind and I look some alternative music for latch into while see I try to raise the vibration, is a nice little archive to dive down in.
Yeah, man.
So the album, you know, is about edutainment. It's like education plus entertainment combined in a one.
I see all one song dedicated to all the Moors. Brap, 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 brap. Yeah, big up yourself.
Yeah. I mean,
Because the Moabites like to swim, when the people them know them roots and when you see the sights, you see me I say?
True.
In the line.
It needed, the album they needed, you know. But through it at the with so much truth.
I know the
years
them,
like
the
it's
Crobian
like
them not gonna give it no time for shine.
No, it firebomb enough one Irie, you know. So that's why I come with the album Happiness after the one day, you know, for kind of.
Don't worry yourself. Check me out on Twitch TV when me I go start with me I blaze it up. When me I blaze them up one behind the other. One behind the other. But when me I blaze them up, me never put nobody else in between. Just each artist I get them own spot and me just get all 1 hour what a straight with one artist.
True.
Let me out. Now jumble up one. No, cause more time. Me this music different, you know. And I my flavor me I bring it on. Me life, you know, why me I listen jahmark for an hour. So when a man come and tell me about jahmark music, he can't just listen to 1 or 2 jahmark and come tell me say, oh, jahmark no singer or jahmark a singer. Cause when me I listen jahmark, me listen to 3 album of jahmark goes out. So me can tell you say, boy, the man I sing from 1962 and he reaches now and in way.
Definitely.
Ask Tafari if him experience or him experience. Me I'm a musician, but me can't talk about music.
True. Yeah. Them think it's the end, but it's just the beginning.
Yeah, the end and the beginning they're the same place.
Jed Natty Jed.
Man, that's true now. A good one, I'm not here, you know.
Yes, you're so not disturb me listening. But you really are disturb me listening.
iVYBZ, we say. Jahmark and the Soulshakers.
Some believe, but I know. So we carry forth this message and we let ya know. Grow and grow. Selassie Jah Rastafari. Rightful ruler. And Selassie Jah Rastafari. He's a true peacemaker. Oh, don't you be fooled by no false preachers. Every day misinterpret your whole last scripture. All you gotta do, give the thanks and praises.
Change gear again.
Oh yeah. Yes, Lord.
You know, you're 3rd gear a while ago.
You see him provoke me. That's why I not go certain place go listen music in the car. I don't want to all and pull up when I want to listen. I when I want to dance. I want to dance.
Music in my ears.
The lion, Selassie Jah Rastafari. Rightful ruler, Selassie Jah Rastafari. He's a true peacemaker. Ooh, don't you be fooled by no false preachers. Every day misinterpret your whole scripture. All you gotta do, give the thanks and praises. Oh yeah. Yes, Lord. Oh yeah.
Make sure you come check we out live.
And in the name of the Father, the name of the Son, shining sun, shining
Get a Twitch account.
sun.
Because we are going to do some live things, you know?
True.
Start already.
www.twitch.com. Make sure you check out FAIM Hub, check out Jahmark and the Soulshakers, check out them vibes, yeah.
All that Trinity got power in man. Rasta man, Rasta man. They will be done, yes, I kingdom come. All I want.
Of course, YouTube,
Selassie,
Spotify,
I created Selassie, got the Rastafari.
Apple Music.
And you can check out more about Jahmark, like Jahmark's journey and his EPKs on FAIM.com.
He's a true
Yeah, make sure you check out FAIM.com and log in on the corner.
peacemaker.
Enough niceness. You know what I say? Yeah.
Selassie got the Rastafari. Rightful ruler. I think Selassie got the Rastafari. He's I redeemer. Rastafari. Live it and reign it in I. Sons and daughters of King Selassie. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Blessings in the house of your father. Blessings from my God. Love your father. Love your mothers and feel love your little sisters and get love your little brothers. Selassie got the Rastafari. Yeah, the good son. The good.
You can't, if you are listening to this and not dance, something wrong with you.
Hey, hold on. They just line up thing there behind it because this is that song there, that song you really man. That song you make it just go on.
Bonks, not you.
Bunks. Whereas if you ever feel nice like women feel nice, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so, again, that one was taken from the previous album. The previous album, that right?
Yeah, man. Book of Redemption too.
Yeah,
Two. We are going to draw the next one. I'm going to come off right to be